Never underestimate the impact a narcissistic mother has on the man she raises. The monster you have in the form of a partner is the byproduct of a mother who enabled him, put him on a pedestal, and never held him accountable. A mother who treated him like a god. These men are shaped, trained, and conditioned long before they ever meet you. And the most disturbing part is that most of their toxic behaviors started in the one place everyone assumes is safe, their own home. A narcissistic man is not just an individual problem, is he? He is the product of a household, a cult, where accountability never existed, boundaries were never taught, and the mother-son dynamic was nauseating. His mother did not raise him to be a man. She raised him to be dependent, entitled, and emotionally fused to her. She made him believe the world should serve him the same way she did. And when you enter his life, he expects you to continue a role you never signed up for. The praise he demands, the laziness he normalizes, the entitlement he carries, the way he dismisses your needs, the misogyny that oozes out of him, your dreams, your work, all of it comes from the blueprint he watched growing up. People often ask, why is he like this? But the real question is, who taught him to be like this? Because behind every narcissistic man, there is usually, if not always, a narcissistic mother who enabled him, protected him from consequences, inflated his ego, and made sure he never developed into an emotionally functional adult. She made him the center of the universe, and everyone else learned to orbit him, including you. The saddest part is that the charming, polite, respectful version of him that the world sees is the mask he learned by watching her. The real version, the one you deal with behind closed doors, is the side she never took responsibility for. Today, we are going to break down the exact behaviors narcissistic men pick up directly from their mothers, the ones that destroy relationships, drain partners, and leave women feeling like they are raising a grown child instead of a loving, equal partner. If you ever wondered why he acts the way he does, this will give you the clarity you have been waiting for all your life. Number 1, expecting women to mother him while he acts like the child. A narcissist mother never makes him independent. He has always depended on others to meet his needs, and on top of that, he feels entitled. He develops expectations from everyone else, but never lifts a finger for others. She spoils him to the point that he does not clean after himself. I'm talking about the bad hair left in the sink, bathroom left dirty, sometimes not even flushing, not knowing basic life skills, and still saying, "You should have asked me if you were exhausted." They never do anything properly because incompetence is their weapon. His mother did not raise him. She served him. She reminded him, rescued him, cleaned for him, protected him, excused him, and pampered him like a fragile prince. She never asked him to grow, only to receive. So as an adult, he repeats the only dynamic he understands. He does not want a partner, a teammate, or an equal. He wants a replacement mommy who manages his life while he avoids responsibility. To him, love means being taken care of while he behaves like the child of the relationship. Number 2, expecting women to praise bare minimum effort. His mother celebrated the smallest crumbs of effort as if he reinvented the world. One basic chore, one simple task, one tiny achievement, and she acted like he hung the moon. That over-validation shaped him into a man who believes women should clap for the bare minimum. He thinks washing one plate deserves gratitude. He expects admiration for sending a text. He believes effort is optional and praise is guaranteed because that is the validation he grew up with. They will refuse to help all day, but if they finally throw out a garbage bag after hours of requesting, they expect endless praise. And there is a disturbing pattern. If they help you even once, they expect physical favors in return. They keep repeating, "I did that for you," until you feel guilty and give in. Number 3, treating women's careers as hobbies, but his as destiny. He grew up watching his mother put her ambitions on the back seat so his could take center stage. Her life revolved around his future, his schooling, and his dreams. So he absorbed a dangerous belief: men pursue destiny, women maintain the household. If you chase your career, he sees it as a distraction. If he chases his, he calls it purpose. In his mind, your work is optional. His is sacred. The cruelty does not stop there. They want their wives to stay at home so they can pretend to be providers, yet they miserably fail at it. They destroy your career and convince you to stay home. That makes you beg for every penny. Don't you understand? They know exactly what they're doing. Once you become financially dependent, escape becomes almost impossible. Number 4, expecting women to fix his reputation. His mother shielded him from consequences all his life. If he lied, she covered it. If he failed, she excused it. If he hurt someone, she twisted the story to protect him. He grew up watching a woman clean his messes while he walked away untouched. Now he expects his partner to do the same, defend him, explain him, justify him, and protect his image even when he ruins hers. He believes a woman's job is to guard his reputation while he destroys everything around him. And just like his mother, he expects blind enabling. In a narcissist's mind, even telling the truth becomes a smear campaign. Number 5, believing women should share their resources while he guards his. This is where narcissists become real-life gold diggers and labor diggers, as I keep calling them. His mother gave him everything: time, money, physical labor, emotional labor, energy, stability, and unconditional forgiveness without limits. He never learned reciprocity. He learned only how to take. So he walks into relationships expecting women to pour from their savings, their strength, and their sanity, while he hoards his resources like a dragon guarding gold. That's where financial abuse begins. You pay the bills, buy groceries, take care of healthcare and children, while he stashes money secretly. He cries poverty, yet his phone and cars keep changing. You do not know his savings, bank details, or even his ATM PIN, but he stays in full control of your finances. Number 6, becoming jealous when women receive attention he thinks belongs to him. He was the golden child, praised more than anyone else at home. His mother inflated his ego, prioritized him, and made him the center of everything. Any praise going to someone else felt like betrayal. So when you shine, he feels attacked. Your success threatens him, confidence irritates him, and your accomplishments bruise his ego. They can't even eat food without reducing others and inflating themselves. They must be served first, prioritized first, even before children. They can't stand their kids or pets getting more attention. Number 7, believing cooking, cleaning, and childcare are women's jobs. He saw his mother break her back running the household without questioning it. She cooked, cleaned, raised the children, and managed the home, never asking for help. He learned domestic labor is naturally a woman's job, not a shared responsibility. In his mind, women are built for kitchens and caregiving, and men are built for authority and money, even though he fails at both. This became his lifelong blueprint. Number 8, final, being nice to people and a monster at home. Many of these mothers are covert narcissists and hypocrites. They behave like saints in public and demons at home. He watched his mother charm outsiders while unleashing cruelty behind closed doors. So he learned the same split personality. A gentleman in public, a tyrant in private. Only partners and children see the real monster. He learned early that abuse must stay hidden, and kindness must be performed. That is how it is with misogynistic, narcissistic men who are enmeshed with their mothers, because their mothers are narcissists as well. What has been your experiences? Let me know in the comments and share this episode with somebody who may need it desperately for validation and understanding of their situation. With that, let's bring this episode to an end. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, as always, let the healing begin.